Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger dashboard. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, carefully remove the radio bezel and any other trim pieces surrounding the dashboard. You will then need to unscrew the 2 screws holding the instrument cluster bezel, followed by the 4 screws securing the instrument cluster itself. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth removal process. Now, let's move on to removing the components. Gently pull out the instrument cluster and disconnect all electrical connectors from its rear. Proceed to remove the radio unit by unscrewing its mounting screws, typically 4, and unplugging all associated wires. Next, detach the glove box by pressing in the tabs on its sides. Finally, unscrew the passenger side airbag cover and carefully disconnect its wiring harness. With the smaller components out, it's time to tackle the main fasteners and wiring. Locate and remove all dashboard mounting bolts, which are typically found along the base of the windshield and on the sides. Carefully disconnect the main wiring harnesses that run behind the dashboard. You will also need to remove the steering column cover and its lower mounting bolts. Double-check that all electrical connections and cables are completely detached before proceeding. You're almost there. With all fasteners and wiring disconnected, carefully pull the dashboard away from the firewall. Take a moment to ensure no wires or cables are still attached, as this could cause damage. It is highly recommended to have a second person assist you in lifting the dashboard out of the vehicle, as it can be heavy and awkward. Store the dashboard safely to prevent any damage during your repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.